I stopped trying to sound smart sa mga content ko dahil nakaka-burnout. And to be honest with you guys, at some point, gusto ko every time na mag-upload ako ng reels or video, hindi pwedeng wala akong mabibigay na advice or masosolve na problem. Pero ayoko naman na mag-feeling magaling sa lahat ng oras na eto gawin mo, bla bla bla. Dahil nga nakaka-burnout and ako mismo sa sarili ko sobrang dami kong kailangan i-adjust. Habit of consistency pa lang bumabagsak na ako, especially sa month ng May at pagpasok pa lang ng June. The only thing na nagre-resonate sa akin ngayon is the question that what part of myself is both real and rare. Na hindi ko kailangan maging expert sa isang bagay. All I need to do is to share kung ano man yung nararanasan ko ngayon. And sometimes, being real is the most helpful thing we can offer. And I believe na yun din yung gustong marinig ng iba mula sa'yo. Kung wala ka maisip na topic para sa susunod, sabihin mo lang. Sabi nga doon sa book ng Think and Grow Rich, perfection will come through practice. It cannot come by merely reading instructions. So kailangan nating i-normalize yung show up kasi that's how you find your voice, that's how you find yourself. So yeah, this is my day in a life and I'll see you guys in the next video.